Did you ever feel you were so good at a game that you felt like you should earn money playing it? Today, I will show you the exact platform where you earn up to $9 every minute playing games, which is one of the best play-to-earn games platform to make money online. Here you don't need to complete some levels of the games to earn money, but you will be playing against your opponent, and for every match that you win against them, you will be paid some bucks for that, which is really awesome. And these are not very complicated games, but some simple and fun games that you can play to earn money online. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to aptoid.com. I will leave a link to Aptoid in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can click that link and you will be brought over to this page. Now it's a little bit different than other play-to-earn platforms, so pay close attention. So Aptoid is basically an app store from where you can download different apps. So you can see different gaming apps on Aptoid that you can install and play to earn money, different social media apps, and much more. And it's available in almost all countries around the world, so you can be from any part of the world and you can still earn money online by playing games. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more related videos for you and others watching from your country. Now to earn money playing games, you can find this earn money section over here, where you can read that you can beat other players with e-skills, and for every match you win against your opponent, you will be rewarded by e-skills in real money. So let's open it. As you can see, if your gaming skills are worth a real money prize, e-skills is here for you. In this type of games, you face other players and the winner gets the prize. So here you can see some of the games that you can play to earn money online. But for our future videos, comment down below the device you are using right now, Android or iOS, so that I can create more related videos for you guys. Now the step number 2 is to show you how you can earn money by playing games. Let me switch to my Android device. So as you can see, I have already installed the Aptoid app to my device. So let's open it up. This is how the interface of the app will look like. And here you can also find many popular games like PUBG, Minecraft, Roblox, Free Fire, and much more. Let me know in the comments section below the games you play the most that are popular nowadays. Now to earn money, we need to go over to the earn money section again and click on more from there. So now you can see all the play to earn games here that you can install on your device and earn real money playing them. So there is a Fruit Blast Master, 8 Ball, Crazy Ball, 3D, Legendary Heroes, 2048, Free Cell Solitaire, and many other games. And new ones are regularly added there. So for example, if we want to play Carom Cash Game to earn money, all we have to do is open the game from there. And then just like any other app store, you can read the reviews of the game, how it works, what this game is about, and whether it is worth installing or not. Then you can just click on install and you can install the game to your device. And these games are really simple and fun games to play and earn money online. Let me show you some of the games that I like the most. So I particularly like 3 games on eSkills, and one of them is the Colorball 3D game. You can install it from here, but because I have already installed it on my phone, it is showing me the option to open the game. So let's open it. And as you can see, you will be shown 2 options. One, play for rewards, and the other for practice. Not all the games on eSkills have the practice mode. Some have it and others don't. But if this is your first time trying a specific game, I would definitely recommend you to first play the game in practice mode, and then you can go in for the play for rewards. This will help you to play better in the play for rewards mode and help you win the match against your opponent. And the good thing is that eSkills will only match you with the other players at your level, so that no matter your skill level, you will always have a fair chance to win. So once you click on the practice, this will ask you against how many players you want to practice. I just want to play against one opponent, so I will leave it as it is. But you can see that if you play against multiple players in the rewards mode, you can earn more money than if you play a duel. And the good thing is that you can practice both the duel mode and the multiplayer mode here. And don't worry, it is practice mode and you don't need to pay the $1 to practice here. So all you have to do is to type in your username. You can choose anything you like. I am going with the Cash Pro, and I will just click on find a room right here. Now I will just click on OK to join a room, and it will start searching for the available opponent for you, and in just a couple of seconds you will be able to play the game with your opponent. Now I just need to play this colorball game, and I need to match the ball with the same color other balls shown here. So this is how you will be playing the game when you will actually play in the rewards mode. And as you can see, I win this match. So now I can just click on the restart, and then I can select the practice again to do some more practice. And if I was playing the recent match as in play for rewards mode, I would have already earned over $1.50. So the more practice you do, the higher chance you have to earn money playing simple games like this, where the probability of you winning is very high. Let me show you another game from eSkills that I love to play the most, and that is 2048 game. I have already installed it, so I will just click on open to start playing the game. Now in this game also, you get the practice mode, which you can use to become better at playing this game. So start the practice game. Here you just have to join the same numbers together to make the bigger number, just like you can see on the screen right now. This game is one of the most interesting games games because all you have to do is join the same numbers together to make a bigger number and reach a total score of 2048 playing this game. And that's why the name of this game is 2048. Now the step number 3, to earn real money with Play for Rewards mode, I want to show you this step using the solitaire cash game from there. So let's open it. So as you can see, you can also play the practice game of solitaires from here. And most of us know how this game works. We need to place the 4 A's right here. And we can use these blank places to place any random cards. Basically, we have to create a set of 4 within the time that is 5 minutes in this case. And now if you want to play online to win $1.50, it will show you that you don't have enough funds and you need to top up to buy the entry ticket. So just click on the top up option and you will be redirected to download the AppCoins wallet app. So just download it and install it on your device. So this is how the AppCoins wallet app will look like. So just open it up, and in the app you will find the option to top up if you don't have any balance. Otherwise it will show you the balance you have in your account on AppCoins wallet. I already have $50 balance in my account, which you can see on the screen right now. But to add more balance, I can click on top up, and that's gonna take me to this page where I top up my balance using my credit card or debit card, or I can just use my PayPal account to add balance to my AppCoins wallet. And here you can enter the amount you want to add to your wallet. And once you select your payment method, you will be either asked to enter the card details if you selected the cards option, or you will be redirected to the PayPal account to log in and pay using PayPal. You don't need to add a large amount of money to your wallet. You can just add $2 to $3 in the starting and use it to play the eSkills games that you are good at. And once you top up your AppCoins wallet, you can start participating in different tournament matches. So just click on this red button to start playing the games. And as you can see, this free cell cash solitaire game that we are going to be entering requires us to have an entry ticket of $1. So you can simply click buy to enter into this tournament match. And after buying, you are going to waiting for a couple of seconds for others to join this tournament and play with you. So as you can see, the game has already started. I am the one on the left and my opponent is on the right. You can see my points keep increasing as I draw these cards. Unfortunately, I am not able to spy on my opponent how they are doing, but I am okay with that because I think I know this game very, very well. I am busy drawing cards here, and the 1 minute has already passed, and I am left with only 3.5 minutes. And at this moment, I was struggling a little bit, guys, because I finished all my moves. So let's finish the game, because if I will finish before time, I will get some time bonus too. And this is my final score there, and I will submit my score there, and then I will wait for the opponent to finish his game. So let's wait for it and see if I win this or not. And as you can see, I already win. I got the highest score, so I won $1.50. Now these earnings will be transferred to my AppCoins wallet, and I can take the withdrawal from there. Or if I want, I can play some other games, and I can choose the multiplayer game to earn up to $9 playing the tournament matched for just a minute or so. Now to withdraw your earnings, you need to go over to AppCoins wallet, and then you can just withdraw your earnings either through your PayPal, or you can directly withdraw them to your bank account through a credit or debit card. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.